Okay, so now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I wrapped my Tesla with stickers from a brand called Haloblk that comes out with really awesome stickers for the Tesla Model Y and 3. Now, this is the entire process of not just applying stickers, but I also want to cover how I prepped the car, how did I use a clay bar, and everything that you would be interested in if you are interested in actually wrapping your car and making your car look different. So in this video, we're going to cover it all. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and let's get started right to it. I began the prep process with the car wash on a very rainy day. This is not a concern though. After the wash, the rest of the process will just be in the garage. By the way, I have seen on YouTube that using an outdoor leaf blower can really help dry the car faster. Highly recommended there. The next step in the prep process involves using a clay bar on the car. You will need a detailing spray and a clay bar, of course. Links to all the products will be listed in the description below. The purpose of using a clay bar is to remove the debris that you would not usually see come off after a regular car wash. And here's a proof of how effective it is. The final step in the prep process is using a wipe down cleaner like this one to remove any old layers of sealant or wax that may have been applied in the past. Simply spray and wipe down with a microfiber cloth. Now let's move on to the fun part, applying the Haloblk stickers. Before applying the stickers, we will need a soap solution to spray onto them. It's a mixture of a few drops of baby shampoo and water. This helps with accurately positioning the stickers and to remove any air bubbles that might be trapped underneath. We are going to use a squeezy like this one. Haloblk sells these stickers as a bundle that covers the fenders, hood, bumpers, doors, and more. And I'm going to begin with the smaller stickers to get a hang of it before I get to the larger ones. The guide provided will help with the numbers that match those on the roll, indicating where each sticker should go onto the car. Let's begin with the eyebrow sticker. Spray some soap solution on the adhesive side as well as on the car's surface before applying it. You may be wondering about the significance of the numbers on these stickers. They represent the coordinates of the Tesla Fremont factory where my car happened to be built from, which I thought was pretty cool. Next, let's apply the stickers on the front bumper, as well as a similar one on the back. It's worth noting that these stickers are made of a nice matte finish material and are cut really well. They are also made of a material that easily can be removed without damaging the car's paint. Now, a couple of stickers for the edge of the trunk lid. Finally, let's move on to the larger stickers. Initially, I was a bit nervous about applying them, but a spray bottle with soap solution can do wonders. By the way, you can customize these door stickers from 01 to 99. Now onto the hood of the car, where these two angled stripes go. One is a light matte gray finish sticker and the other one is made of a dark and light gray textured lines. I really like the way the car is now beginning to look. The rear fender is a bit tricky and may require cutting and shaping the stickers around the rear door openings and the handle, but I'm going to leave that to a professional wrap shop that can do a better job at doing the cuttings, and Haloblk recommends actually going to professionals and getting the stickers installed, so I recommend doing that. But what I did was I went ahead and added the matte space gray stickers on the rear doors, and I think it really looks good this way even without the fender stickers. It's just similar to what the Model S has on the Haloblk website. And there you have it. Let me know what you think about my car with these stickers. I will make sure to include a link below. Use my code if you want to take advantage of the discount on these stickers. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll come up with a lot of videos on Tesla and tech in general. Until the next time, take care my internet friends. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye-bye.